now that we have tasks, how do we manage those tasks to be more efficient? Here we can go to our My Tasks area, but if we don't have any tasks here, what does that mean? I know that I created some tasks here in Project 1 as well. I created some tasks here in Project 2. But how do I make sure that I see those on my tasks here? So let's go ahead and go to Project 1. It's pretty simple. We can just click on this little picture of a person here and say assign it to me, or you can type in somebody else's name, but I'm just going to assign it to myself, right? So that's pretty simple. I'm going to delete this task because I don't want it anymore. And here this task is complete, and we'll show you about that in just a moment. And here again, with these tasks, I can hit complete, or at this end, I can go ahead and assign to myself. Now, it's nice that I have them all assigned to myself because now I can view this within my task list, and it tells me what project they're from. But we need to make sure that they all have assigned due dates. And notice this one does. If I click on this one here, from Project 1, it has an assigned due date of Thursday. But let's go ahead and assign some dates to these others. We can just simply do that by clicking here on this task. It appears here on this side, and we can select a date that we would like to add it for. So here, it's a pretty simple process. Hit due date, click on the date, and it's done. Now, when we go back to My Tasks tab, here we see all of the tasks that are due. But it gets a little bit better. Here I can say we have new tasks, we have other tasks that get added here over the course of time. But here I can say, hey, I want to sort by due date. So I can do that. Or I can sort by project. So there's lots of different options, as you can see here. I can sort by, I can save it, I can sort by likes. Now my projects don't seem to have any likes, but to do a like for a project, you just click on it here, and here's the like button. So here I can just go ahead and sort by likes, and now of course that one will be up at top. So there's lots of different ways that you can do this. Also, I'm only viewing incomplete tasks. If I say view all tasks, it's going to view all, including the one task that has already been completed. Now, when I'm working through my task list, now I can see these tasks on my calendar. Notice how they've populated on my calendar. So here, task number 3, we can see here belongs to project number 2. Do you see that? Task 3, project 2. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. And I'm going to move task 3 down to this position. Here, I can just go back into project 2, look at task 3, and notice that it has been changed to January 9th now, where we moved it when it was in the calendar view. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to manage our tasks all within this simple screen. My tasks, we can go and say which tasks we want to see, sort by them, add our dates, and then when we completed our task, we simply select the checkbox there, and we can go ahead and also we can do the check mark here to complete a task as well. Just highlight that task and click there.